Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Divyanshi. So today we are going to do Chakrasana. So let's begin. Firstly, we will do warm up. So our first warm up is Surya Namaskar. We have to do Surya Namaskar 2 times, one with left and the second time with the right leg. I have already made a video on the procedure of Surya Namaskar. I will leave the link in the description box, so check it out. Now our second warm up is cat and cow pose. Sit in Vajrasan and take one arm plus one palm distance from both of your knees. Inhale, look up and take your spine inwards. Exhale, look down and take your spine outwards. Practice this for 4 to 5 times. Now our third warm up is Bhujanga Asana. I have already made a video on the procedure of Bhujanga Asana. I will leave the link in the description box below. You can also do Bhujanga Asana by lifting your chest up and then also folding your legs. It will give you an extra stretch on your upper thigh and your lower back. Now relax and lie down for 10 to 15 seconds. Now our fourth warm up is pigeon pose. For doing this, stand in Parvatasana, then bring your left leg between your hands. Keep your foot out and give enough space to thigh to down. Now look up and sit straight. Keep your both hands right next to the knee. Now come back in Parvatasana. Now do the same thing with the right leg. Now relax in Shashank Asana for a couple of seconds. Now our fifth warm up is camel pose. Inhale and straighten your right hand. Exhale and bring it to your heel. Do the same with the left hand. Now release by bringing your both hands back to the normal position. Now relax in Shashank Asana. So we have completed the warm-ups and now it's time for Chakrasana. Lie down on your back, fold your legs and drop your hands next to your ears and fingers should be pointing towards the shoulders. Inhale and push your waist up and then your elbows. Now drop your head and hips down. Now do Pavan Mukt Asana by folding your legs and hugging them and then placing your head between them. Relax and lie down in Shavasana. Practice all these warm-ups and by time to time you will see the results yourself and you will be able to do Chakrasana in less than a week. So this was step-by-step procedure of Chakrasana. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.